Good day, investors. I think I'm a one-stop rental farmer property and I like bringing you viable real estate investment option. Today we are looking at the Atlantic Ocean. This is the Atlantic Ocean, and we have a property here known as Ocean View Estate. This estate is strategically located behind the Ocean View Estate. Look over there is the Abijo GRA, and it is right here. We are at the Ocean View Estate. This place is truly beautiful, it's serene, and it is strategically located. We have some limited plots here that we are selling. The plot here is going for 14 million naira, while our plot is going for 7 million naira. And this property has a good title. I'm just bringing you the ocean view, and I'll be taking you right to the land itself where you are going to be allocated. And if you want the ocean view, the land will be directly facing this Atlantic beach. While if you want the commercial view, it is over there, right there. Then while if you want the regular plot, we still have regular plot for people that need regular plot. So this is a fantastic opportunity. Have you been designing an ocean property? This is the best time for you to own one. It's right here it's your local government. This location is very, very key because in this place you are going to have the coastal road. This coastal road will lead directly to VI houses. And on this house, you also have many, many beautiful beaches. We have the Attica beach, we have the Barracuda beach, we have so many beautiful beaches around here. And this place, you have so many houses leading to this place. You can pass through the Abijo GRA houses, you can pass through the Shangotedo houses, you can pass through the Barracuda houses. So, for more information, you need a beach property, you can call me. So let me take you right to the land itself. Yeah, if you buy, you'll be allocated. It's just like, because we get 1.5 centimeter from the beach, so your land, if you buy through the ocean view, you'll be seeing the ocean directly. Then if you buy through the other place, you still have access, we still create access for you to get to the ocean. So let's go right to where the land is. Thank you. Okay, I'm showing you our beach part of the estate. Right here, we are the land itself. This is the land. This is where you'll be allocated. Like I repeat, we have limited plots here. So the best time to give it is now. As you can see, the environment is truly serene, it's dry land. And this land has a good title. It has governor's consent. And buying the land that has governor's consent, you have no money issue, you have no problem with the government. Immediately you buy, you can perfect your title. So for more information, you need a land in the beach houses, either for a business, we have the commercial section, either the one that is facing the beach, we can get one for you here, or either just a regular place where you like the ocean view, the beach part, we have it for you. So for more information, call me on my number, which will be shown on the screen. Thank you.